Daily Post India, this is Nidhi Banot. AIDS claimed a million lives in 2016, almost half the 2005 toll that marked the peak of the deadly epidemic, said a UN report today, proclaiming the scales have tipped. Not only are new HIV infections and deaths declining, but more people than ever are on life-saving treatment, according to data published ahead an AIDS science conference opening in Paris on Sunday. In 2016, 19.5 million of the 36.7 million people living with HIV had the access to treatment, said the UN AIDS Global Roundup. This marked the first time that more than half of infected people were receiving antiretroviral treatment, which subdues the AIDS virus but does not kill it. AIDS-related deaths have fallen from 1.9 million in 2005 to million in 2016, said the authors, adding that for the first time the scales have tipped. The year 2016 saw 1.8 million new infections, almost half the record number of some 3.5 million in 1997, said the report. In total, 76.1 million people have been infected with HIV, the virus that causes AIDS, since the epidemic started in the 1980s. Some 35 million people have died. Communities and families are thriving as AIDS is being pushed back, said UN AIDS Executive Director Michael Sidby. As we bring the epidemic under control, health outcomes are improving and nations are becoming stronger. Without treatment, HIV-infected people go on to develop AIDS, a syndrome that weakens the immune system and leaves the body exposed to opportunities infections such as tuberculosis and some types of cancer. Treatment carries the side effects and is costly too, but allows infected people to be healthier for longer. Most progress has been made in East and Southern Africa, the region that was hardest hit by the epidemic and where many interventions were focused. Since 2010, AIDS-related deaths in the region declined by 42%. The region accounts for half the world's infected population, which women and girls disproportionately affected at 60%. 60% of all people who receive antiretroviral therapy live in East and Southern Africa, which along with West and Central Europe and the Americans is on target to meet the so-called 1990 targets set by the UN, said the report. By 2020, states the plan 90% of infected people must know their status, of whom 90% must be on treatment. In 90% of those, the virus will be suppressed by medicine to the extent that it cannot function or replicate. By 2016, 70% of infected people knew their status, said the new report. Of those, 77% were on treatment and 82% had virus suppression. UNAIDS expressed concern about two regions with worsening AIDS trends, the Middle East, North Africa and Eastern Europe, Central Asia. Both are areas marred by conflict and political uncertainty. Thanks for watching Daily Post India. For more such updates, you can follow our website www.dailypost.in. You can follow our Facebook page Daily Post India. You can subscribe our YouTube channel and you can also download our app. Stay tuned. Thank you.